Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Alright guys, so pretty much I'll be showing you guys today how I edit my videos. Alright, so somebody asked, Fiona May asked me in my comments, so shout out to you Fiona for subscribing, for watching my videos, and for commenting on my videos. So she wants to know how to use the Filmora 9 program or software. Yes, software is what it's called. So I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos using Filmora. So this is the software. It's the Wondoshare Filmora 9. I haven't upgraded. It's the 9.5 version. I think they're at Filmora 10. I don't even know. Don't know if I'm going to upgrade, but I'll let you guys know. So this is what I'm using at the moment. It's currently giving issues, but that's fine. So this is what it looks like. So when I add in videos, it will appear here. I think unless you guys have this, then I don't really need to show you like the things that are pretty much there, I guess. But if you do want to use this software, it can be used free of cost, but it will have like a watermark. But if you don't want a watermark there, it's pretty much like you have to pay for it. Alright, so adding videos, you pretty much press the section where the videos will be and you select the videos you need and they will appear here. You can select all of them at once, so I normally do that, but I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to just show you like the basics that I normally do first, and then we're going to do that. Alright, so let me just take this out and then I'm going to show you guys Alright, so what I do, I keep all of my editing stuff on a thumb drive, which I just put in. As you can see, I have quite a lot of folders here, and I'm going to put the 2021 edit folder. Right here I have my intro, outro, my logo, and overlays, transitions, and such like that. And as times go by, I adding more and more things to the folder. So I'm going to be adding in my intro, my logo, and my outro, because these are things I use in every video: intro, outro, and the logo. Alright, so what I do in order for me to edit, the first thing you're going to do is grab and drag, and it's going to be the 1200 thingy. Alright, as you can see, I need to cut off that piece. Alright, so in order for you like to kind of make it a little bit wider, you realize my cursor here. You can put it on the timeline, you can drag it out or drag it in, drag it out, so it can look a little bit longer for you to like cut down a video. And you move this and then cut in order to cut a clip. Press on it and you just press delete and it's gone. Alright, so when I want to add in something, so for example here I normally add in my logo. I'm going to drag and drop my logo above and it will appear. I'm going to position my logo where I want it to go, and this is where I normally add in like a sound as well. So I'm going to go into overlays and get my sound effects. I use the mouse clip and the sub with bell, and I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to now go down and grab my mouse click, because this is where my mouse click normally is. Right now my mouse click is a video because I shortened it, so it's like that's why it's a video right now. So I'm going to detach audio because I only want the audio, I don't want the video, and then delete the video. And now this is what this is gonna look like. Alright, so hey, I'm Shakay and now here I normally have blogs, lifestyle, and beauty videos. Now what I do, I go into titles and there are plenty. There are 263 titles you can, well, I don't think it's so much because these are custom, right? So it's not all 63. But you have quite a lot to choose from, right? And pretty much if I choose this, right, it's gonna look like that, but you can edit it. Now what I did, I have like, say for example, I create, right, so let's just try it with this one. Let's just come over here and let's type something. Let's just drag and drop that. Let's just say subscribe. We're gonna say subscribe, and I want this to appear at the bottom of the screen. I want it to be a different color, in a different style. I want it to have animation, so we're gonna do it in style 8, but we want it to be red, so we're gonna go for a red color. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So it's now red. We can put an animation to it, so we want it to be cinema style. We want it to look like that. We want it to be typewriter style. I think I want it to be the typewriter style. So we're going to tell them to subscribe. We want it, yes. So if you want to save this so that every time you don't have to be figuring out what did I use and whatnot, you can save it as custom and type what you actually want it to be. So I want mine to be subscribe. Alright, so when you go back into your when you go back into your titles, you can go down to customs and you'll find all the things that are customed to you. So for example, here I normally have this good morning thing that I customize, or this one that I customize, this where I put the day, and this is the vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So it means that every time I have it, I will actually have the same writing and nothing will be different because it's custom. Okay, so let's go back. So here's where I would put my vlogs, lifestyle and video views. And then if I want to shorten it, I just bring it back. Same with this. I just bring it back. Alright, get that out of the way. Then this is where now I add in my subscribe button and all of that. So I'm gonna go in for my normal, well, sometimes I will do them all at once, just put in everything I will need. Sometimes I forget, so I have to be like going back and forth, but that's fine. I'm not too. So I need the subscribe button and the bell, and I know what they are called. That is why I just pick out the ones that I need. So this is the subscribe button I use. So I just drop it where I want it. And then I want the bell there, so I'm going to add in the bell, and I'm going to downsize the bell and put it where I want it to go. So I want the bell to appear there. Alright, and then I want that to stop here. I'm gonna do that, and I also want the bell sound, so I'm going to go now for the bell sound. This is also a video, so I have to detach audio, and yeah, this moved for some reason, so I'm going to fix that right now. Or I could just do this, take that out of there. Alright, so let's see how this works right now. Alright, so that's the front part that I have so far. Alright, so if I want to know adding my intro, I would cut there and I would just go for my intro and I would place it, drag and place it there. Now you have to be careful, because if you drag this wrong, you can actually split the video. So I'm gonna go back and do it and show you how it can actually split and end up with foolishness. So if you realize it splits the video itself and you don't want that, you actually want it to go where you want. If you realize, keep splitting it. Once you put it the wrong place, it will split it. So you have to place it the correct spot. Alright, so let us look what we have so far. Alright, so that is kind of off, so we're gonna go back and we are gonna fix that up. Alright guys, so the next thing that I want to show you guys is, what did I want to show you guys again? If I want to add like transitions and stuff like that, I can go to transition. Normally I do this when I'm making like montage and such like that, so I would grab my transition and place it wherever I want it. Normally it's between two, what do you call that, between two clips. Yes, between two clips. So this is what it will look like. So I'm doing the cube effect, so this is what this will look like. Alright, so that's what that will look like. Alright, so what else do I normally do? I don't quite remember. I don't really remember. I normally like to do this as I go on. You can add in elements, which I hardly do, but sometimes I do. So you're adding elements, so you can add in things like these. This is not downloaded, so it means I've never used that. Right, so like this, I hardly use it, but you can. And normally you should resize it because it's gonna end up over your face or whatever. So yeah, it will actually just like pop up and stuff like that. All right, so that is that. So you can also add in audio, like a song or such, but I hardly use these songs because I don't want to get copyright for anything. So I normally use my non-copyright music that I get from YouTube. So pretty much they are music from, I don't even remember where they're from, but what I normally do is, whenever you're looking for a song, you check if it's non-copyright and then check the, what do you call it, the description or any additional information, because a lot of times when you look at the bottom, you would see them have something like, if you're going to use this music, in order for it to be non-copyright, you have to give them credit in the comments. So they'll give you something that you have to copy and paste in the comments. So that's the kind of music I use. Alright, so yeah, this is one of the music I use. I should probably stop that because I have to. So basically, if I use this, I'm gonna have to put the, since I'm using this, I'm going to have to put the thing that they give me to copy and paste in the description. So whenever persons hear my music, they can actually go into my description, they can click the link, brings them to that song, so they can also use that song. So it actually gives them credit so that they can actually get something from their videos, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. For the most part, I do have little fandangles that I would adding, like the subscribe button, but it's basically the same as adding in the logo, so pretty much don't have to show you that. I'm not sure what else you guys would like to see. So yes, that's the basics of what I do when I'm editing. Sometimes I'll edit on my phone, and on my phone I use like iMovie, which is quite simple to use. So yes, I will be doing a video on how I create my thumbnails, so in another video you guys will see that. So please stay tuned to my channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Oh yes guys, by the way, if you want to make a video or you want to say something on like a blank screen or something like that, they have sample colors that you can actually add in: white, red, green, orange, gray, such and such. There's some gradient ones. They also have some sample videos, which I'm not sure how this works. They have a countdown one, all of that. So 3, 2, 1. So if you want to do a countdown video of some sort, like a countdown to your video, countdown to summer, it doesn't really matter, I don't know. So you can use that, but as I said, I'm still experimenting with my editing style. So this is pretty much what I do, but I'm still experimenting so I can actually get better. So yeah, that's what I do. That's the basics of using this Filmora and the basics of my filming. So if you guys enjoy, go ahead and subscribe, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Comment something down below If you also have video ideas you want me to do, comment it down below as well. I am taking suggestions and I actually will, you know, do the videos. As you guys see, I'm doing one of the videos that was suggested. I do have some more videos coming that were also suggested. So if you have videos you want me to do, suggest it, and if it's in my zone of video making, I will make that video. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.